How to download the Sublime Text for Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download the Sublime Text for Windows 11. So the Sublime Text is a sophisticated text and code editor known for its speed, ease of use and powerful features including syntax highlighting, code folding and a wide range of plugins. So let us see how you can download the Sublime Text Editor. So in order to download the Sublime Text Editor, the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, the Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that best suits you. So for this particular demonstration, I will be going with the Google Chrome. So once you are inside your web browser, simply search for Sublime Text Download and hit the enter button. Now from here you can see this first website which says download from www.sublimetext.com. So the sublimetext.com is the official website of the Sublime Text Editor. So simply click onto this download button of the link and you will be landed into their website. Now from here you can see the latest version and the build, that is the 4200. So Sublime Text 4 is the current version of Sublime Text as making of this video, and here are the downloads. The first link will redirect you to the downloads for macOS, the second one is for Windows, and the third one are the Linux repos. So click onto this Windows option right here and it will lead you to this page and automatically start downloading the installation file or the exe file, which is just around 15.4 megabytes. So once this exe installation setup will download, we will be able to extract the file and install our Sublime Text. And here you can see that the Sublime Text installation file has been successfully downloaded. So let's click onto this open button to open the installation wizard, and you might need to click yes if it asks for permission. So here it is asking me to select the destination location for the Sublime Text. So if you want to change the destination folder, simply click onto this browse button and choose any location that you prefer where you want the Sublime Text to be present. But I will be keeping it to the default, and then I will click onto the next button. Now it says select additional task. Select the additional task you would like to set up to perform while installing Sublime Text. The task is to add to Explorer context menu. So if you want to do this, you can click onto this check mark and then click onto the next button, and then you can see that the Sublime Text is ready to install. So simply click onto this install button, and here you can see that the setup has finished installing Sublime Text on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcuts. So once you will click onto this finish button, the Sublime Text will be successfully installed into your system. So let us try to open it by going to the search bar and typing in for Sublime. And here you can see under the best match, the Sublime Text application. So simply double click onto the Sublime Text application and just wait for the application to launch itself. And here you can see that the application has been successfully launched into a system, and then you can use it as per your pleasing. So that's how easily you can download and install the Sublime Text Editor in Windows 11. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.